All right, friends, we're out yet again for a little short weekend trip. We're headed to Lazy L&L campgrounds in New Braunfels off of River Road. Should be a fun weekend, as hot as it's been here in Texas. We'll see if we survive it.
Gonna float a little river. It'll be wet.
So travel along with us and see how it works out.
Home of the big Buckies.
Supposedly building another Bucky's behind this one. It's going to be the largest Bucky's ever. Found our stop for lunch. Catfish and shrimp. Appetizer before we get food. That's the mountain of onion rings. Ha. So that's the outside of this place.
Yeah.
In Clear Springs Restaurant, New Braunfels. How's the food, y'all?
It's good. Oh, good.
All right, friends. So we made it to Lazy L&L campgrounds. Didn't film any of this, but we got in. We got camp set up. Trying to rest and relax in this 104-degree weather. Well, at least the car says it's 104. I'm sure it's close to that. So I'll show you around a little bit what our campsite looks like and where the river is compared to where we're at. And yeah, this is supposed to be a bunch of Jeep folks up here this weekend. That's kind of why we came this weekend. So we'll see if we see them throughout the week. So stick around and let me show you around a little bit. So there's old Blue, affectionately named Mongo. Yes, it's Mongo. And there's Mike and Teresa's Jeep. This is area where we're at now. Park's much bigger than this. This is just our area. So there's our trailer. We got it set up with the awnings, and we got tarps stretched out under the awnings to try to give us a little extra shade. Back over here. It looked a little haphazard, but we're trying to cool down and we'll set up a little bit more. So, like we always say, no bad days. Best days are at the camper. Let's go. Oh, let's see. There's the river right down there behind us. There's a dock down there. You can see between the trees. Katrina and Teresa sitting down on the dock. We got steps. A couple of tubes there. Stick our air mine up. And Mike over there talking to the neighbors. So we'll give you more as things progress. We'll rest a little bit. Well, good morning, folks. It's about 7:30 in the morning. Waiting for everybody to get up. We're gonna get some little breakfast here, some coffee, and make our plans on where we're gonna start floating today. And we'll get floating down the river. Here's a view right behind me. That's the dock right down below our campsite. Oh, yep, there's our holy tree. Hi, friends. For breakfast, we're trying something a little bit different we never tried before. I'm sure a lot of you may have. A friend of ours turned us onto this, so we're going to give it a shot. These are cinnamon rolls, Pillsbury, that come in a can just like your biscuits do. And we take them out of the can and kind of flatten them up a little bit and just cook them in a pan like this and flip them over. And then we'll put a little icing on it and we'll see how it comes out. Cinnamon rolls for breakfast. Stay tuned and see the finished product. Because she does such a great job.
So here's the final product. Put a little fruit on top of it, and we'll see how it tastes.
Yep, quite a few people out here today. And this is where we're getting in. Come on, baby, come to me. Spin around, say hi. I did. Yeah. All right, do it again.
That's amazing right there. You damn who you are.
Here we are, floating down the river. Been about an hour now, and I think we've only gone about 300 yards. We're moving really slow right now. Except when all these peeps start bouncing around us.
Have a beer.
So we started taking stuff down. Preparations for leaving in the morning. Sun's already down, and we're like I said, we're getting ready to head out in the morning. Katrina made us some peach cobbler in her Omnia oven. Oh, that's gonna be a fun cleanup. Anyhow, Let the stove out to make coffee in the morning. Got to drop the tubes. And we'll be ready to head out in the morning. Say goodbye to the river. So, this will be it. You may get a shot of pulling out in the morning, and that'll be it. Stay tuned. Well, it's been a pretty fun trip here at the river. Very hot. Very hot. From about 3 in the afternoon till 6:30. It was extremely hot. We crawled in the campers and just laid down during that time. But we're all packed up, loaded up, getting ready to roll out. Here we are, all loaded up.
If you like
Ready
our
to go.
content, hit the like button, subscribe, and then click that bell to get notifications of new videos.
See y'all down the road.